Hello everyone, Julie Williams here from the Community Connections Department at Riverside of Miami County, and I have my bestest grandson Cole here with me today, and we are going to take a nature walk at Brukner Nature Center. He has some favorite animals out here and we'll show them to you. Here we are, walking down to where some of the animal cages are. Our first friend
Coyote
is the coyote. He's busy pacing. If you've never been out to Brukner's, I encourage you to come out. There's just so many neat things to see in nature. We have some great horned owls. I'm going to try and zoom in on them so you can check them out a little bit. Two of them in there. Really neat. And next up we have the barred owl. There's one. And then his friend in there. I can zoom in on these buddies too. It's not every day you can get this close to wild animals. Next up is the turkey vulture. One. The other. Now we're here at the red-shouldered hawk. I was just making some noise a minute ago. Hawks are so pretty when you see them flying. See if I can zoom in a little bit on him too. There he is. And now we have the mink. And this is making my grandson so happy because he was his favorite and he's never out. He's usually nocturnal, but he's a little mink. And there he just went in his hole. Aww. At least we got to see him. Maybe we'll come back out. And right next door live the crows. Hi, Mr. Crow. Hi, Mr. Crow. You gonna talk to us? Huh? You're not feeling very talkative today, huh? Oh, red-tailed hawk. They are so pretty. Oh, there's two in there. One is busy eating a mouse. Don't know if you can make that out very clearly, but must be lunchtime for him.
What should I say? Crow! Here we have the bald eagle.
Bald eagle.
Grandma, keep it on video, okay? And then over here we have the stinky skunk.
Where is the skunk? He must be in his little habitat. There's those crows talking. They only like to talk when you're away from them.
How terrible.
And next we have one of my favorites. It's the red fox. So skinny. So skinny. Hey, red fox. You gonna move? You want us to move?
He's staring at me.
Yes, he is. Zoom in on him just a little bit.
Good.
There were those crows again. I tell you, they only make noise when you're away from them. And we will see if the bobcat's out. He's always hiding when we come out here. And he appears to be hiding again. He's got a lot of places to play. He's got some food in his bowl. So he must be hiding in that little hole there. Right in there. careful out here on some of these trails because, as Cole will demonstrate, some of them you have to do some jumping. Yep. Getting some young athlete activity in here at this one. And the balance beam over of the little creek. Good job. Yep.
And this is another way how to get over the river. Cow. Or not over at this place. It's not easy.
We did it.
You break your leg.
We saw some little fish in here.
But they're kind of hard to see.
I don't know if you can see them. There they are. See them a little bit.
Well, when you come back up, it wears you out.
Just remember, every hill you go down, you got to go back up it at some point. Heading down to the pond, little overlook.
And over here, you can see 5 turtles on the log right over there.
Unfortunately, the pond is all covered with mossy stuff. But there's still plenty of wildlife under there, I'm sure. There's some more turtles, if you can see.
Oh,
One hiding under there. One hiding there.
oh.
Check out this tree. I'd say some birds have been having a field day eating on that. The pine forest is so peaceful.
You putting this on YouTube?
Oh, does it feel good?
Nope.
To connect with nature? Oh, that's what bears do. I always like to point out some little mushrooms and growth. I just thought that was so pretty, that little vine up on that tree. Another neat thing in nature. There's a huge grapevine, and it has wrapped itself around all different ways. Neat. This time of the year, those are full of other color flowers. So pretty how nature creates its own beauty each season. Well, that's all for Bruckner's today. Next time we come, it will be fall, and it'll be beautiful with all of the beautiful colors of fall. So until next time, bye.
Bye.